Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I bring you the Soul Series 2500 50mm, and I do have a key here. It is a 1, 2, 3, 5-pin lock. Nice snap, all brass, really heavy, but the security is a little meh. So let's put this one in a vise, and I will zoom in a little. And the first pin on these soles is always a spool. So I found if you set the first pin, you're in a good way. So let's do that. Okay, this is my fault set. Now I'm recovering from the fault set. And again, fault set. I lost my fault set, I believe. Now let me reset. I didn't use the key because I want to use it as a speed pick as well. Fault set. Back in fault set. Recovering the fault set and pin 4. Fault set back. And the last pin. And we open. Well, as you see, it's not too hard. Fault set, set a pin, get the fault set back, and you're open. So it's a nice brass lock. I like it a lot, but it's not really secure. It's the keyway again. And this was the Soul 2500-50mm. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.